eventually, once they get older, they can understand having a nightlight on their own that they can keep next to them during quiet time. Then you can set them up with books or whatever. But the rule for me, what I told my boys, is that you have to stay in your bed. You cannot get out, run around, and you can just read books or lie down. White noise is still on. So at least their body calms down, their mind calms down a little bit. Even if I was just reading up actually the other day on studies, they say that even if you don't nap as an adult, you just lie there with your eyes closed or without your eyes closed. 30 minutes of resting is equivalent to 5 to 10 minutes of someone napping. Even if you just lie,
Yeah.
calm your body down and not have any stimulation, your body still considers that as some sort of rest.